Did you ever want to see what's inside the mattress? Stay tuned. Alright, what is in a box spring? What is inside the box spring? The bottom of the box spring. Is this ready to go? And sorry for the low budget, but this is usually what a box spring is. There are some other box springs that have metal in them that go above this, which I'll show you one right now. There's some of the styrofoam from earlier mattresses. There's another box, bigger box spring, but you kind of tell there's some metal in there above the wood, and there's two more box springs that are just wood. I think this one's a pineapple or somebody's going to jail for several years. They ripped off the tag. Oh well. But this one's a little different. It has wool, then it has the metal. You can't do it with one hand. There I go. That's the metal. Sorry. Sorry about that. But you can see there's the metal. So each box spring is a little different. Just feel it to see if it's wood or metal. Don't know the difference really, because if you are getting the metal, the weight is going to push the steel down after time and flatten it, so it's still going to be a box spring. So that's what's inside, and that is a twin. These are all twins. Pineapple. Got several more mattresses to cut open and pull out the metal.